Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can set the maximum screen time for your Roblox account in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So for instance, if you're a parent and you would like to restrict or set a maximum limit for screen time for one of your family members here on your Roblox account, what you want to do is log into the given account, then navigate to settings. Here, for example, on PC or laptop in the Roblox application, and then in your settings, click into privacy and content restrictions. Wait for the menu to finish loading. And then guys, the second option from the top will be screen time. Click into it and you will see your screen time, or the account's screen time you're currently logged in for the given week, in hours per the given day, or in minutes. And here guys, you can set a daily limit, right? It will be set to no limit on default, but you can set a limit here, click into it, and from that drop-down menu select the limit, ranging from 15 minutes to 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, up to the maximum, which is 23 hours 45 minutes. So it's up to you which limit you set. I will go with 3 hours for the sake of this tutorial. Click into save here to apply the daily limit of screen time, so that the given account user may be notified that the screen time limit is approaching and that it's time to log out. And that's it guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.